Welcome to the SolarEdge Learning Lab. This video will guide you through replacing an internal fan on a SolarEdge 3-phase inverter. To begin, ensure the system is de-energized by turning the on-off switch to the off position. Turn off the DC safety switch and allow the DC voltage to bleed down below 50 volts DC prior to turning off AC power. Once the system is de-energized, open the top cover and begin removal. Disconnect the power cable and the two Phillips head screws holding the bracket in place. Be sure to place the screws in a safe location, as they are easy to lose. Install your new fan by replacing the Phillips head screws and reconnecting the power cable. After reinstalling the fan, replace the top cover and bring the inverter back into production by turning on the AC power, turning on the DC safety switch, and finally turning the on-off switch to the on position. Thanks for joining us in the SolarEdge Learning Lab.